If we have third type question, rational function of sine and cos type. Typical integral have the form 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta sin theta d theta. Then how we can evaluate this type integral by using contour integration? We can see it by using example. If we have this type question 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta sin theta d theta, then we solve same method on the same method, step 1, step 2, step 3. We have integration 0 to pi d theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta. If we have cos theta, then we use this formula. If we have sin theta here, then we use this formula. So we know cos theta is equal to a iota theta plus e minus iota theta by 2. Given iota is 0 to pi d theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta. Let's see when we discuss about these type integrations by using contour integration. Then we will discuss these type integration on a unit circle. So when we use it on a unit circle, okay, unit circle mean r is equal to 1 1 1 1 1. So you can see that our points start from 0 and it's complete a whole rotation. So 0 angle is 0 to 2 pi. So let's see be the unit circle. Z is equal to r e iota theta. Because we have unit circle, so r is equal to 1. That's why r is equal to 1 into iota theta, it will become e iota theta. So 0 to theta, theta to 2 pi, due to circle our angle lie 0 to 2 pi. When we differentiate it, dz is equal to iota e iota theta d theta. We find out d theta, so d theta is here, dz dividing by iota e iota theta. So dz by iota as it is, e iota theta is equal to z. So we replace e iota theta by z. Now because we have in question cos theta, cos, as we know that cos theta is equal to e iota theta plus e minus iota theta by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 e iota theta plus e minus iota theta. So 1 by 2 e iota theta is equal to z plus z raised to power minus 1. The real integral equal the contour integral. So we can write it as contour integral d theta is equal to dz by iota z. 5 plus 4 cos theta value is 1 by 2 z plus z inverse. When we solve it, it will become like this. Just we take its LCM and by simplifying it will become it. Then contour integral is dz over iota z 5 plus 2z plus, we can write 2z inverse by 2 by z. So we take its LCM, it is as iota z 5z plus 2z square plus 2 by z. Z cancel out with z. We have just dz by iota into 5z plus 2z square plus 2. We write it by arranging highest part, then lowest, then constant. We have dz over iota 2z square plus 5z plus 2. We know complex property. If we have 1 over iota, then we rationalize it, because in every place when in denominator we have iota, we will rationalize it as iota into iota, iota into 1 iota over iota into iota iota square. Iota square is equal to minus 1, so it will become minus iota. So where is 1 over iota, we can replace 1 over iota into minus iota. dz over 2z square plus 5z plus 2. Then we will make its factor, it is as. We solve it by taking common 2z from this and 1 from this. 2z into z plus 2 plus 1 into z plus 2. Z plus 2 combined, 2z plus 1 combined. It is our f of c. So what is our residue method. So first of all we find pole, then put denominator is equal to 0, 2z plus 1 is equal to 0, and z plus 2 is equal to 0, 2z plus 1 is equal to 0, 2z is equal to minus 1, so z is equal to minus 1 by 2, and z is equal to minus 2. We can see we have a unit circle, so minus 1 by 2 lie inside the circle, but z is outside the circle, so we ignore it. We just point the residue at z is equal to minus 1 by 2. Residue at z is equal to minus 1 by 2. Residue of f at z is equal to minus 1 by 2. So is equal to limit z approaches to minus 1 by 2. Z minus a, so minus minus plus 1 by 2 dot f of z. Limit z approaches to minus 1 by 2. Z plus 1 by z dot function is 1 over 2 z plus 1 and z plus 2. So when we take LCM of this function, it will become 2z plus 1 by 2. So 2z plus 1 cancel out by 2z plus 1. We have 1 by 2 z plus z, limit z approaches to minus 1 by 2, 1 over 2 z plus 2. So 1 by 2 by putting limit in the place of z, minus 1 by 2 plus 2. We take LCM of this function. We have minus 1 plus 4 by 2. 2 cancel out with 2. 4 plus minus minus. Greater value is positive. So 4 minus 1, 3. Contour of CF of z dz is equal to, we have formula 2 pi I residue of f at z is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we have 2 pi iota and residue is 1 by 3. Because our contour is equal to 0 to 2 pi, here our function is 1 d theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta and is equal to minus 1. Here is minus iota of this function and 2 pi iota as it is and 1 by 3. So iota into iota, iota square, minus into minus plus 1, 2 pi by 3. So 0 to 2 pi d theta over 5 plus 4 cos theta is equal to 2 pi by 3.